An unusual accident occurred aboard the aircraft carrier USS Harry S. Truman. One of its Super Hornets fell overboard. According to the U.S. Navy, the aircraft was blown into the water when the ship experienced an unexpected weather deterioration, gusty winds and heavy rain. The U.S. Navy does not disclose the detailed circumstances of the incident. All that is known is that everything unfolded while the Truman was sailing alongside an unnamed supply ship, and that when the accident occurred, the aircraft carrier's resupply operation was immediately aborted. There was no one in the cockpit of the aircraft. At the same time, one Truman crewman suffered harmless injuries, but his accident was not directly related to the loss of the Super Hornet. The question of lifting the plane is currently being addressed. The Truman is currently in the Mediterranean Sea. As we wrote last week, it is likely to remain there until next month. It is not yet clear exactly where the accident occurred, but a few days earlier the aircraft carrier was near the Ionian Sea. According to plans for 2021, the Truman was supposed to pass through the Suez Canal and head for the Middle East. But late last December, as the situation on the Russian-Ukrainian border began to escalate, the Pentagon ordered the strike group to remain in the eastern Mediterranean to be able to counter Russian aggression with a force argument should an attack on NATO member nations occur. Over the past 3 months, CVN-75 has made its presence clear on NATO's southeastern flank. 4 squadrons flying FA-18S and FA-18F Super Hornets are currently based on the Truman under the auspices of the 1st Carrier Wing, the FA-11 Red Rippers, VFA-81 Sunliners, VFA-34 Blue Blasters, and VFA-211 Fighting Checkmates. Which one the unsuccessful fighter belonged to is not reported. As for the lifting of wreckage from the seabed, it is worth recalling that the U.S. Navy already has experience in such operations. Precise determination of the location of the wreckage will be possible thanks to the towed locator TPL-25, which is equipped to detect pulses from the so-called black boxes. If that fails, alternatively, a hydrographic vessel will be used to produce an accurate map of the seafloor on which the wreckage should be visible. Underwater robots will then attach cables and air cushions to increase the buoyancy of the wreck.